These 8-year-olds are busy taking their Hindi lessons. Last year, they wouldn't have been here. In the Matli village of Madhya Pradesh, regular schooling has long been a luxury most families couldn't afford. Every year, parents would migrate to Maharashtra, just 30 kilometers, yet too far for school. But they're able to do it today, now that they have a newly built hostel. And it's all happening because of this lady. Born to daily wage laborers, Joshma Kanauj learned early what migration and intergenerational poverty can take away.
मतलब स्कूल जाने में भी दिक्कत आती थी, उनके साथ ले जाते थे साथ में मजदूरी करने। तो मेरे मम्मी पापा फीस के लिए, कपड़े के लिए और कहाँ छोड़ के जाना, लड़की है करके वो मेरे को साथ में ले जाते थे।
Joshma was certain that she wouldn't let Matli's children struggle for education like she did, but she also knew that she couldn't do it alone. With help from development organizations, she learned how village decisions were made. Much to the surprise of the men, even her own husband, Joshma began bringing together women and even started attending panchayat meetings, still a rare sight in rural India.
तो कोई दीदियों के घर वाले भी नहीं भेजते थे कि कहाँ इकट्ठी होके चल दी और काय के लिए बार बार जाया करती, जो काम नहीं होने वाला रहता है उसको भी कर बार बार जाके करते।
Soon, the proposal to build a students' hostel was included in Matli's official development plan. Today, a 1,000-capacity hostel is up and running. Not only that, a sub-health center, improved public infrastructure, and better job opportunities. What once felt impossible, Joshma and her girl gang delivered.
गाँव में कुछ काम करना है तो महिलाओं के बिना असंभव रहेगा कि महिला रहेगी तो गांव का भी विकास होगा।
As a shopkeeper, a farmer, and a proud mother of 2, now Joshma's next big idea is to run for panchayat. If she wins, she won't only be the first woman sarpanch of Matli, but one who'll build a future where children don't have to choose between education and survival. I'm Lyndee Prickitt, and this is Village Square.